We had started using the SVG training platform as a roofing company before the first time I attended Win the Storm. So there was some excitement. You know, it was a great experience. I think Win the Storm would be described as the #1 insurance restoration industry networking event. It's also a great way for people to hype up their teams and to set goals and try to achieve them.
Our business has exploded the last 3 or 4 years. 80% of that is through store ventures, affiliates, and people I've met through the industry, just through the Facebook you guys have, and also the Tradeshow. So it's been a thriving part of our business for sure.
You wonder what the next move is, you know, where the trends are going, how is your next round of business coming? And building those relationships with your customers, with property management companies, and with people within the industry through SVG is invaluable.